Christmas may be over, but Brussels sprouts are definitely still in season, so here's one way that you can enjoy them. What you're seeing here is called sujuk, and it's a Balkan sausage that's packed full of flavour. First we're going to peel the sujuk and slice it finely. With a small knife we're going to prep our Brussels sprouts and then cut them in half. Into a pan goes a healthy amount of olive oil. With the pan on a medium to high heat, throw in your sujuk. Fry the sujuk until crispy. You'll know it's ready to turn when it starts to curl up. Remove the sausage and set it aside. Now with that same flavoured oil, throw in your Brussels sprouts face down. Leave the Brussels sprouts face down for a couple of minutes until they start to get some colour and crispen up. Add a knob of butter and season. Now go back in with your sujuk and toss everything together. Add 50 ml of maple syrup and then top off with a couple handfuls of pecans. Again, toss until it all comes together, and then you're ready to plate and enjoy. Thanks for watching.